Hey y'all, I'm out here in these streets getting this intel complete for these concepts that I'm trying to show you soon. I'm working on it. I have a couple more things that I need to pick up, and I'm at one of my favorite stores right now to complete that. Yep. So let's head on in. Ignore the music. Yeah. Alright. So, we still got lots of Halloween, of course, because it is not hit yet. Alright. Oh, those are so cute. Look at this little stitch thing. $5. Ooh, those are kind of, I like these. $5. If you need something like this. Got a lot going on. Okay, let's see over here. If you're looking for Harry Potter, there's a little bit of everything. Starting at $5 on the $5.55. What's this? The unofficial Harry Potter Hogwarts Handbook. Includes creatures of Forbidden Forest, timeline details in the Battle of Hogwarts, coming rooms, dungeons, kitchens, and more. Okay. I love these sets. I'm definitely going to start getting some of these. Definitely. Not necessarily this pattern, but dog pillows. And these bows. They're serious about these bows this year. They are. I'm gonna do a thing with them. Excuse me, this little teeny tiny backrest. For real? $5.55. I'm sorry, y'all. I actually like them though. I don't know. People coming in, let me get out the way. How about I look for what I came in here for? And I don't know where it's at yet, so. Ha ha ha. Sets at $5. You can use them or break them down. Lots of different fragrances. Angel, Wonderful, Soft Cloud, and Daylight Fantasy. Oh yeah. What's the price of these? I don't see a price for these socks. One pair of socks, but they're very cute. I need normal gel. This is what I came for. Yes. Yes, I did. People coming over by me, so I'm gonna stop talking. The nerve. They're copying us.